This video is going to take you through the process of how to add an action item using the Decker Adaptive mobile app. Once you've logged into the app, you're going to click on the icon in the upper left-hand corner to access the menu. Then you're going to go down to Enter Action Item. This is going to pull up the Edit Action Item screen. The first thing that you'll need to pick is the type of action item you're wanting to enter. Now, depending on your company, you may have multiple types of action items that you need to enter and different information that's needing to be tracked within each type. So for this company, we have 3 different types, and I'm picking the hazard action item. Then the next selection is the organization. Just like the observation page, it's going to remember the organization that you're attached to. So if you're only attached to one organization, it's going to have that selected. If you're attached to more than one organization, then it will select the last one that you picked when entering an action item. So if I select, I can see I have access to others, but this is the last one I picked, and I want to enter another action item for Kansas City. The target date and time will be the current time and date. If you need to change that, you can click on it and change the date and the time if needed. The status and priority information is going to be based on the company information that was entered. So for this company, the statuses are open, in progress, and complete, and the priority is low, medium, high, and urgent. So I'm going to make my selections. There's going to be a summary box where you can type in information or use voice to text. The description, I'll go ahead and use voice to text. As you can see, it's very easy to use the voice to text feature. Then the next option is to pick who am I assigning the action item to. So I'm going to assign it to myself, but as you can see, all the employees within the organization will pop up for you to select. Then after you select someone to assign the action item to, you're going to notice possibly some additional information depending on your company that you need to enter. So for this company, they're wanting to select the exposure that goes along with this action item. Then there may be a file upload button depending on your company setup of the action item form. So if you have a video or a picture that you want to attach, you can hit the file upload button. In the bottom right, you can add a video or picture as you create the action item, or you can go to add files, select image or select a video to pull up your camera roll, and select the image that you want to add to the action item and hit done. Once you've added the selection, you can go in and add another one. You can have as many videos and pictures as you'd like. If you need to annotate the picture at all or make adjustments to it, you can tap on the picture itself and it will show a circle with a check mark in the right hand corner. Then you can go up to the little icon that looks like an edit pencil. And in here you have different editing options at the bottom of the screen. I can go in and maybe circle what I'm wanting to be adjusted here, like we're talking about the handrail, so maybe I want to add annotation to that. So I can either reset at the top or hit save. Once I save, the annotations that I made will be available on the image. Once you're done adding images or videos, you want to make sure that you've selected the ones that you want to add to the action item. So they all need to have the circle with the little check marks next to them in the upper right hand corner to know that you've selected those files. So once you've selected all that you want, you're going to go to Add Selected Files, and this is going to attach it to your action item. Here you can hit the little trash can if you want to remove it and add more. Then you'll go back to Edit Action Item, and now you'll notice at the bottom of your screen that there's a little 1 next to your file upload, letting you know that there's an image attached to this action item. Once I hit save, if I am in Wi-Fi or cellular data, the action item will sync back to the site. If I am in offline mode, I will have to wait till I'm back in Wi-Fi or cellular data for the observation action item to sync back to the site. If I want to view any action items that I've completed on the app, I can hit the menu icon in the upper left-hand corner, and I can go down to action item list. This will show me all the action items that have been created on this device. In the ID column, on the very first action item here, it says not yet synced with server. So that lets me know that that one has not synced back to the web-based system. If we scroll down to this action item here, in the ID column, we now see a action item number. This lets us know that this has synced to the site. If I need to make a change to an action item at any time, I can click on that action item and it will open in the edit view mode, and I can make my changes and hit save. And if I'm in Wi-Fi or cellular data range, then it will sync back to the site.